shape your fresh pasta into tortellini, be sure to roll out the pasta dough in the machine until it's very thin and semi-transparent. Liberally dust a rimmed baking sheet with flour. Take one pasta sheet, keeping the remaining sheets covered with a towel or plastic wrap. Using a 2.5-inch round cookie cutter, cut the sheet into rounds on a lightly floured counter. Discard any dough scraps. Repeat the cutting step with the remaining sheets of dough, making sure to keep the cut rounds covered. Place half a teaspoon of filling in the center of each round. Working with one pasta round at a time, lightly brush the edges with water. You can do this with a brush or your finger. Fold the bottom edge of the pasta over the filling until it's flush with the top edge, forming a half moon shape. Press the edges to seal, making sure to press out any air pockets between the filling and the edge. With the folded edge of the filled pasta facing you, pull the corners together until they slightly overlap to create tortellini with a cupped outer edge and a dimpled center. Press to seal the overlapping edges and transfer the tortellini to the prepared sheet. Repeat cutting and filling the remaining pasta. You should have about 60 tortellini. Let the tortellini sit uncovered for 30 minutes until they're dry to the touch and slightly stiffened. Tortellini can be wrapped with plastic and refrigerated for up to 4 hours or chilled in the freezer until firm, then transferred to a Ziploc bag and frozen for up to 1 month. If the tortellini are frozen, don't thaw them before cooking. Add the frozen tortellini to the boiling water and increase the simmering time to 3 to 4 minutes.